right. So what we doing here? What we're doing here? This round, we're aiming for the top left pig. Okay, 9 rounds, shooting the 45, shooting the 9mm, 1911. Good gun, right? For this round, whoever hits the pig the most amount of times, obviously, wins the $20. All right? You heard it here. I'm up.
$20. Shake.
Shake. Living proof.
All right. Sponsored by Caliber Tactical.
Hey, did you hit record?
All right, no pressure. He lines up the shot. On the other line. First one is a miss. Missing the dodge counter. This is going to be a second attempt.
I can hear your whispers, alright? Where am I even shooting? Where's it hitting? Where's it fucking hitting?
Where am I even shooting?
I
Just hit the bottom circle.
The bottom?
Second shot.
Okay.
Tries to readjust his grip and stance. And he hit it on the head.
Last fucking round.
Last round.
One on the head.
Post game shooting, how do you feel?
I don't really like the 45, honestly. I had to adjust the way I was shooting it, the way I was lining up my sights. Not a big fan. Probably something I can learn, or even dial it up. Fucking, I don't know if you can adjust these bad boys. But yeah, ready to see what he does.
Probably better than you.
First time, it's his first time shooting the 1911, so obviously the same way that we understood my incompetence with the gun,
It's the
we're gonna
same
give
thing
him,
for him.
we're gonna give him some slack, all right? Let's go for it. Hit
So here we
choke.
go. As we're lining up for the first shot.
Cold-blooded killer.
13 and nothing. 1-2 with the rules. And we're looking at this one. Getting to rack. Lines up for the shot. First one hits just tip of the wing. Second one hits the wing. If you can just hit it one more time, you'll seal the deal. And he hit it. He won the $20. That was just to let the rounds blow. Get him going. Slightly low, but it's okay. He already won the $20 anyway. And there you have it, folks.
Alright.
Post-game interview, how you feel?
A lot better than he does, I guarantee that.
Oh, he still gets tacos though.
Yeah!
And he wins 3 out of the.
Hey, that first one was a hit. That tip.
It was the tip.
The tip,
The tip doesn't
The
count.
tip
Remember that,
counts.
guys.
Yeah, it does.
Tip does not count.
I might have gotten 2. I might have
He
gotten
hit 2. But the third one sealed the deal.
Alright.
Oh.
Really
Well,
good.
It was good.
That's
It was
it.
fun.
Sponsored by Caliber.
$20. I ain't got no cash on me.
No cash.
Will
You're
he
paying
get
with
it?
that
I don't
ass.
know.
You got it.